Okay guys, in here we're gonna make us some sweet and sour sauce. I'm gonna put just a tiny bit of vinegar, not vinegar, good Lord, olive oil, just so that we can sweat down our onions just a little bit. We don't wanna cook them to where they're soft or anything like that, but we do wanna sweat them down just a little bit, okay? Okay, that was pretty quick. I just wanted them to get hot and kind of start sweating. Okay, and to this, we're going to add 2 cups of pineapple juice. And you don't want to use, you don't want to cut a pineapple and use juice right out of the pineapple, because it won't work, guys. It just don't work. You got to have 100% pineapple juice. I got some off of this, which is 100% juice, and then these, which is 100% juice, okay? So 2 cups of pineapple juice, and I'm making 2 batches. You can cut this in 2. You know, there's quite a few of us that eat, because Jeff's got a coworker that eats with us at night. Now to that, we're gonna add 1.5 cups of packed brown sugar. I like light brown sugar, but you can use whichever you want. Doesn't really matter. Guys, you can put in red food coloring. We're not putting in red food coloring today. It'll be all right. Now to that, we're gonna add 2/3 a cup of rice vinegar. Okay. And to that, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of kikkoman. No, 4 tablespoons of kikkoman. You add 2 if it's just 1 cooking. Not kikkoman, soy sauce. Any brand you want, guys. Any brand you want. So we're adding 4 tablespoons. Okay. And to that, we're going to add 6 tablespoons of ketchup. Of course, any brand you want. Let's see if I can get the ketchup out of here. The rice is cooking there on the back high. It's pretty high. Might turn it down a little bit. Okay, now we're gonna stir this up. We've already got our onions in there and they're getting soft. And I only do that, guys, look, I only do that because Sonny likes soft onions. If you like the raw ones like I do, it's gonna cook a little bit in it anyway, so you really wouldn't have to saute the onions. I just do that because Sonny likes them soft once it's done. So we got that done. Then we're going to add to that, guys, our chunk. This is pineapple chunks. You can put, now in with your onions, you can put mushrooms, you can put bell pepper, you can put snow peas, you can put carrots. Guys, you can put anything that your little heart can imagine as far as vegetables go, or fruit even goes in here. But this is how we like it. So this is what I put in it. And I'm going to let that come to a boil. And then we'll add something else. I'll be back in just a little bit. Okay, guys, this has come to a boil here on the front. And we're going to take, I've got a slurry of 4 tablespoons of water and 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. And we're just going to put it in, and I'm using my whisk to just kind of whisk it in as it goes. If you want it thicker now, you can add more. This will be plenty thick for us. Turn the fire down. Now, it's basically done. We will let it simmer just a little bit